Polars for Finance, Episode 1. Read CSV and Parquet in Polars. A dataframe library written in Rust. Same shape as Pandas, 10 times faster. If you finished Pandas for Finance or you already use Pandas at work, Polars is the next step. It's a Python library, written in Rust, backed by Apache Arrow. Multi-threaded by default, with a query optimizer built in. Today, install Polars and pyarrow. Load 14 tickers from a Parquet file. Inspect head, shape, and schema. 4 lines. We're going to write a small Python script, the first one in the series, and the simplest, 4 lines. Open nvim, save it as read_prices.py. 4 lines that matter. Import Polars. Read the Parquet file. Print the head, the shape, and the schema. That's the whole script. pl.readParquet is the workhorse of this series. Polars reads the file in milliseconds, in parallel, with column prune support if you go lazy. Save and exit. Cat the file to verify. Then run it with Python. 28,000 rows, 8 columns, 14 tickers of daily price data. Notice the D-types printed inline above every column. Three things to take away. First, Polars is the dataframe library written in Rust. The first script is 4 lines, and it loads 28,000 rows in milliseconds. Second, Parquet beats CSV on every axis. Smaller files, faster reads, schema preserved in the file, and column prune, so you only load the columns you ask for. Third, the print output shows D-types inline on every column. Type drift is impossible to miss. That's the signature Polars feel. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Next episode, filter rows and select columns. The expression API that makes everything click.